How you doing? It's Francisco with Consultant Expert, week number 2. So thank you for listening. We're talking a little bit about the dates. So last week we talked about officially the IRS will be in processing tax returns the 28th of January. And also another important thing to remember is the 31st of January this month, which is 7 days from now, forms 1099 are due to be sent in, and W-2s as well. So what does that mean? That means basically everyone has businesses. If you have a construction company, you have subcontractors, you want to get these sent out on time. If not, you're going to incur penalty for each form, and that could be daily, and it varies. It could be up to about $270 per form, depending on how late you send it in. So we telling you right now, those of you that have companies, please get your information together. Make sure you have your W-9, have Cappi's ID, have canceled checks, have the amount that they made. You come in, we can help you prepare those 1099 forms, give you copies, give them the contractors their copies to file their taxes, and in a timely manner have the 1096 and 1099A sent into the government as well to do your requirements, so you don't incur any penalties or interest, because it doesn't make sense. You know, you guys are busy managing companies. You want to have everything on time to avoid anything that will affect your business. So remember, January 31st, have 1099s, W-2s sent in on time. If you guys do use a payroll service provider, a lot of times they do them automatically, but it's good to check, because at the end of the day, you as a taxpayer or business owner are responsible for the taxes. And it's not good just to rely on somebody assuming that it's done. You want to make sure that it's being done. Another thing to get started thinking about naturally is your individual taxes. You want to get all your paperwork together. The banks are sending in the interest that was reported. You should be getting rather soon, being that the deadline is the 31st. Those of you that are contractors are going to be getting your 1099s, because just like I'm telling you to send it in that have companies need to send them in to you. So you should be getting your 1099, W-2 forms, 1098 forms from the bank. Any receipts that you may have for medical expenses, I suggest you get them together. Any personal property taxes paid, get them together. Again, these are for personal income taxes as well, and then also for business income taxes, recommend you get the same documentation together, but also to have the bank statements for the entire year is very important. A lot of times people just pull a number out the sky. No, you don't want to have problems. You don't want to be audited. You want to make sure that what went into your bank account the whole year, you report the income and you report the expenses. Sometimes you'll find that people want to just report 1099s. It's very important to report 1099 income, but if you're using it properly and depositing every check into the bank, you're going to have it, because sometimes you might miss a 1099. And I've had it happen so many times throughout the year that somebody comes, oh, I forgot to report this. So you just have to think and be thorough of what we're doing. So that's why we require with a lot of companies that they come and bring the bank statements if they're not a client of ours every month. If they're a client every month, it's easy to do, we reconcile. So we're going to have every month of the year, we're going to have bank statements, we're going to have receipts, we're going to have the payroll. So it's quite easy because we're following it along the year. But for those that aren't, and come in just at the end of the year, we need all these documentations. We need bank statements from January to December. We need W-9s with IDs, checks, cancel checks to see the total that the contractors made, any receipts that were paid, cash, a list of equipment. So I suggest and recommend, being that tax season is here full swing, those that have file the taxes as Schedule C, have small businesses, could be LLC, single member. When you file your personal income taxes, you're going to do a Schedule C. Recommend you get all these expenses together, because it'll be beneficial to you to take advantage of some of the new deductions and different things that you can do legally in reference to your taxes. So remember, please, that we're here located at 7804 Midlothian Turnpike, as Latino Tax and Business Services, next to Chicken Fiesta, Wendy's, and then we're in the Buford Shopping Center next to Michoacano. Our hours of operation are 9 to 9, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday and Sunday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So 7 days a week. We're here until April 17th, which is the end of tax season. And we also have we have 2 other offices now. Thank God we have 3 offices, Latino Tax. We're situated in different areas of the city. So this is 7804 Midlothian Turnpike. We have another office on 3817 Jefferson Davis Highway. And then we just opened a new office in Henrico, which is on 6115 Staples Mills Road. And it's right near Glenside, Staples Mills in Glenside. right there. Terraza Arcoides is right next door. You'll see a big brand new building. We're in there upstairs. So please take advantage of the services that we offer. We not only do income tax preparation, we do corporations, partnerships, we do accounting, we do payroll. We help you think about opening your own business. We help you obtain the proper license you need for, depends what business it is. If it's a convenience store, if it's a restaurant, we help you to go to the county, get registered the name, get the health permit, get all the license necessary. Pretty much a one-stop shop. And we also have insurance as well. So please remember to come to one of our locations at Latino Tax and Business Services. Any questions, please feel free to give us a call. This location number is 804-269-7689. And I personally am at 7804 Midlothian Turnpike, Richmond, Virginia 23234. But each one of our offices has certified tax preparers that have a P10 with the IRS, and each one of them has done a course in taxes, right? It's very important to remember because sometimes people just do it in their home. So thank you for listening to this video. Hope it was helpful. Please feel free to call us, come out, and look forward to seeing you soon at one of our offices.